Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MT Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset or refresh your Mozilla Firefox web browser back to defaults. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward for you guys, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start this video off by opening up the Firefox web browser if it's not currently open on your guys' computers. And now you want to navigate over to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window. Just left click on that one time, and then go down to where it says help near the bottom of this list. Left clicking on that one time, and then you want to left click on troubleshooting information near the middle of this list. Now on the right side here, you want to attract your attention to where it says give Firefox a tune-up, and right underneath that it should say refresh Firefox. Left click on that one time. Should get a little pop-up here saying refresh Firefox, start fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations as well as restoring your browser settings to their defaults. Confirm this by left clicking on refresh Firefox now. This will take a couple moments to run, and you can left click on finish if you see that dialog window. It might go by really fast on the screen, so you might not even have a chance to close out of it, but you should be good to go at this point. You just navigate over to whatever websites you were looking to get on before, and you should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.